Here, Floofers. Mr. Stuffy Wuffy will make you much, much better.
Good call, Anna. Now let's slide. Pepper?
Here goes everything.
Whoa! Floofy and I will go next. Come on, Floof. He wants to do it again.
I'm glad he liked it, but there's no time. Right now, we need to talk to Preston without getting booby-trapped again.
Preston doesn't listen. We need to show him what he's doing. I have a plan.
All is quiet on the course as the amazing Preston Braxton lines up the perfect shot.
What? What's all that quacking? Ducks! All of them on my beautiful course with those horrible webbed feet. How did this happen?
We brought them, Preston.
They're all the duckies from the lake and pond you're draining to water your golf course.
They're hideous. Hideously adorable, of course, but they can't be on my golf course. A golf course needs space and quiet.
And ducks need water. If their water is here, the ducks will be too.
Impossible. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
He says he wants you to hold him. Is it okay?
Ew! No! What part of shoo did you not understand?
You sure?
Oh, maybe just for a second. Fine, I'm holding you. Happy? Hey! What are you doing? That tickles. Fine, I admit it. You're adorable. I'll do anything for you. You want me to stop pumping in water and close my golf course? I'll do it.
I want that baby duck on every mission from now on.
Sweet little ducklings. Do you love your Uncle Presty? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Preston, you don't have to close your golf course to help the ducks.
But I do. If I don't pump in fresh water, my grass will die.
That's not true. You can use recycled water. All you need are pipes leading from the nearest water recycling plant.
And lucky for you, my Constructomax works underground. Constructomax construct pipes to the recycling center.
Huh. Recycled water. Looks just like regular water. Go figure.
Yup. Now you get to keep your golf course and the duckies can go home. Hear that, duckies? You can go home now.
Quack, quack, quack.
Wait, these ducks don't have to go, do they? Maybe you can stay and I'll take you home later.
Quack, 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 quack.